Understand music. Understand music.
Emergency pa I need that emergency every year is missing. I was misses your boy. Now wouldn't say or by some the normal bow say may they see mammy. No what is the case and wait my found son to me bottom. What me a huro is so good woman so see any sickening now my sickening attitude. Ah, but I don't want me just I don't know why I mean no bank come come off at me. Who see Obama no my phone such shame say last time was even a bready training team. Say Osudo. We will not tell you I'm a coins. It's not last time I say or this room and a channel and say Osudo. Nothing necessary. Me both says your boy, your boy, Miss Slow. Have it, Mammy 3 million. Your boy, Mammy 3 million, never 3 years. Meet you, Miss Slow. Your boy, hey, first 3 weeks. Sorry, your boy, Miss Slow. Your boy, Miss Slow, Miss Slow, to say, hey, go for cookie, yes, Miss Slow.
Scare me, you pet.
Oh, your boy, me no work a story once, make a story later, I say no problem. Me no neck a story, I want your story near. Your boy, Mr. Old enemy. Oh, the old enemy. Oh, your boy, and I'm 3 years going through. Your boy, Mr. O, be our own, and you can say, Mr. O, median woe. Station sending you can't be a station, and I name young boys from my station on Modia. Come cry about station case only a secret show. I saw me catch a secret. But you know, I'm saying you need no my you know more penny for. You can perform no penny for station. You want so mobile. Why? You want mobile, Miss Rowe. Oh. You want no home 20 gun account. Why? And the first of the chemi. Miss, what if I come and 3 million? Hi. Yabwa, I saw the media no. Yabwa media no. Station na me kan wo na kesi ke edition sa. Ba bibim tira. Ah, why are they na misrawo?
Yabwa, amate na this kind man hwe ni yo. Ni amate betuma ye.
Ah, wo ni de betuma ye de me kunipa. Ah, ade na station sa da motam ya na. Ah, wo ni ahwate no obi akọ bi akọ this kind no say dey. Oh, me de me pesa de no, me pesa no ma no. Oh, your boy time catch you saying call Akramo na we bossa na mebo. You go try Akramo na kamaje. Kobby ehun wase. Ah, masa, wasem ben. Yeah, media ni wo. Media ni wo. Me say 3 years metu ya anya nsuru kra. Hey, 3 weeks. Why, Miss Rowe?
There.
It's your darling, Okoro. Sandra, my darling. Why wouldn't you come and open the door for me? Oh, baby, I love you so much.
Okoro, stop this. I don't like this. Stop it. Stop it. Sit. We need to talk. Sit.
Well, I just wanted to admire your tender tools.
Please, I don't like this stuff.
You don't like what? My love, you didn't want to open the door for me.
You are still talking about love at this time.
I love you till death.
Okoro, listen. Listen.
I keep on getting these messages and you know where these messages are coming from.
Oh, come on. Messages. You know the way I am. Mr. Okoro himself is Legon. And you, the most beautiful lady that at least I have an eye on. I can do everything. Everybody knows that you are enjoying your life to the fullest. So people are jealous. I mean, there are so many people who are jealous of us, you know.
Okoro, these messages are life-threatening. It's not nice. I am scared for my life. And you know this is your wife.
How can you be scared if I'm around you? How can you be? And what did you just say? What did you say? Did I hear you right? What did you say?
You know where it's coming
your
from.
Life.
Listen.
No, okay. No. If someone is threatening you, let me have the contact.
Contact?
Yeah, so that I can also threaten the person.
For real?
Oh, yes, of course, I can get the person arrested.
Are you trying to let
cyber crime, that's cyber crime. I mean, internet.
What are you saying?
You can't threaten somebody with your phone. You can't call somebody and be threatening the person on phone. Don't you understand? That person can be, I can cause his arrest. Who is the person? Give me the number.
Okoro, you shouldn't be asking me this. You should know where these messages are coming from. Your wife, of course. You know it. What are you saying? Who are you expecting? Listen, please. This relationship, I don't think we have a future concerning this relationship. Let's end it. Let's just end it. Please.
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself talking? Is there any end to this relationship? Yes. I am Okoro. I own East Legon. The east side is for Okoro. And nothing can befall you when I am with you. Okay?
Okoro, yes. I know you own East Legon. Yes, I know you own it. But what I'm saying is, see, in fact, I don't think this relationship is leading somewhere. Is there a day you are going to leave your wife for me? I think I'm just supposed to move on. I'm going. Age is catching me. Please. I'm serious, and this time around.
My Sandra, love doesn't know age. Eh? That's just numbers, baby.
Oh, don't try it.
Where is this one coming from? Where is this one coming from again? Where is this one coming from? Where? And you want me to lose all these things? Hmm?
Oh, please, I want to be alone.
No, of course, I'll let you be alone. For love's sake, I'll let you be alone, okay? Look at me. Even if you don't love me, no, look at me.
Yes, I'm looking at you.
You still love me. I'll see, I'm going to work. You still love me.
Search for me laptop, so why are you serious?
Jumaya. When your company visa, I'm just trying to send in my CV to them.
I send this visa. Hey,
tell me about
4 years. Now, I know ne.
Please,
listen.
Where?
I have good news.
Good news.
I also lunch mommy outside my control.
Oh.
But still now we're so guessing.
Good news, guess. Is that what we still call?
What? Okay. Guess next.
If it's
you have
not
just
about
3 options.
If it's not about Okoro, are you traveling?
To where? Me.
Out of the country. I said
go and do
Dubai. So what's the good news?
Guess I can't last chance.
Please, Sandra. Oh, catch me and also women then. Guess are they?
Then you buy me the lunch.
I'll buy it. Tell me.
New catch. And girl, this one.
New catch.
Find some more stuff. See, he's cute. He's young.
Oh.
He's rich. And the fashion sense, you know. There's the girls I know. This one. Oh, forget the boy in the dress. So what's it? I am tastes. I have a spec. The guy is so fucking rich. When I say somebody is toasted.
More than Okoro.
I beg, so Okoro is a old money in the need, you know.
Sir?
This is young, rich.
Okay.
Let me give you news. News flash. Do you know about Lucius Avenue?
Oh yeah. And the
famous Lucius Avenue.
Yes, so good.
It's not that.
Eh?
Because the sister, and sister Penyo. This sister Ketua, younger sister. And only Lucius Avenue.
Young and pony na.
Hey! Young and the crown was at a 11-bedroom apartment in Motrasau.
We are rich. We are rich.
Excuse me, you and
You and I.
my friend, I'm rich. It's not you.
Oh wow. So right now you are rich.
Yeah.
So right.
But
wow.
I'm telling you, but girl, this one do you.
And all this while you
no, I wanted to confirm first.
Confirm what? Confirm the fact that Sarah has only Sika.
No, confirm the fact that maybe I'm really interested before I tell you.
So you're interested?
Oh my god, my water.
This is good news.
Yeah.
Want to be my advice? You see how your life is. What? You know my advice.
Hey, I found my cry. Na saka im na me feel no. I found my. And you crow ya na me no tina say car same way. O saka fa na be see ya ni tiri so na pamba so say o be patch ama na.
Oh, Sandra, never be where I tell you. If you can mean kind of when papa name say me and me kind. No, I'm not pretend that. It's never if something comes, at least we still have.
Anyway, enough of me. So now you're talking about young, famous, rich, and African. What's your picture of your friend Kobby?
Wow.
Oh yes. I'm not back and tell you we eat 10 containers.
Flag money.
Young boy, you we eat 10 containers. Bentley room, Lexus room.
Jesus. Mahoma,
me say.
Hey,
and yes, get what?
You're sure.
Oh girl, I'm
blessed.
And maybe you're on my own. You're bomb for Fefe, men and never show me.
And what?
It's my best nice big one. We need you. I'm not going to say, perhaps. See it soon. What? No shaky. It's Junum and Cassa.
Who's everybody Kobby?
Kobby, yeah.
He's young.
Me say it, see me. I said he's young, rich, famous, and African. The fashion sense top notch. And the beard, cranny, criminal.
Oh
my god.
Yes, only I'm putting a blushy.
What?
Wow.
Anyway, so I'm just trying to tell you that now there's another man. It's in case say just say I don't need to introduce him to you because when you born, so I don't say this is the guy I'm talking about. Like, nigga.
Where did you meet him?
Meet him. Girl, meet him. I'm dreaming. When they hear say I'm saying, oh boy, to how be who now be who no.
But why Mrs. Kobby? Mrs. Kobby. Mate.
Right.
Say I just go.
Hey. I just go say cool.
Papa, what was the next time I force us all?
Sir, the old country.
Oh, Massa. Oh,
I'm not never there. You need to know.
Sumuna Besson. Sumuna Ben Audasso. Make cut us at 3 years and as well over here. Jadoya no Uncle for 1 second.
Son, what the Bobby said, you want to be pure.
You're born 24 and my said no woman was
my Hannah.
Oh, me Passad and I'm a Passad now.
Judge, Minapalamo.
Yeboa, we papa panyin minim so ye papa panyin na mba wo hono mabeda da wo se mam. Ei, mama beda wo sai mamiska. E na o mamiska no. Tam na nyanso to bo asem de mama wo.
Na wo agye misika na metai. Metai.
Na o dai ya me obusia na boy na do koto tai. Scan na koto tai. Oh, ma se ye hu kra ko ye hu.
Oh, ade asem. Wu ade kwa asem no no.
Taba obusia. Na wo
na okura ni mu se ade asem.
Station na ya asem.
Ade asem a.
No ho na mate bae. O se na yire asi o de says ashe ni boto ma ni yire asi eniama. What is asem we bi da? O ba gi 300 cities wo me che se o le kwa ko ye says. Akon ay 2 months ni.
2 months. Ya kokko to ake ye bi basto. Ya ka se oh, to boss station.
Waji ni sika na anyi ni sika.
Sika ndi amaje ye ka 3 years nyanso. Even month you go yan end.
Waji ni sika na wonye.
E na se sika na maje ba ye 3 years se metu ama no. 3 years ni kwa nyanso.
300 no di 3 years ni betua.
Na ya ka month asa nya.
Amate.
Ya bo ade tira o yesa.
Amate.
Na ka se me akwala ma won.
Na ya bo akasa kra.
Masa Jamie mu na empathy ade na gumani masa no.
Ya bo ametimase o. Amate we bebusa sika na diska na ma no.
Legon guest ni be pompon ama gumani masa.
Amate we bebusa sika na diska na ma no.
Station.
Kwani sika ma ne.
Why mete. Na the station me ba me so asema me na wo kana wacha. Ya se ye hu 3 years. 3 month kwa yen twa month.
Hey, amate.
Month ni kwa nyanso.
Hwe bibi ye o station ha o.
Masa nya wasemo.
Usuba ya nya o.
Me na nya. Me ne ye bo na.
Woni na nya.
Me ne nya.
Nyame na hwam so a.
Ada station wona
Station nyame na hwam so a.
Eti edidim nya na wona wacha na.
Amate fam dia wo ye
sika ma ne.
Ya bonya to base.
Nya to
Kwani sika ma no.
Me ko banga ko yi.
Ko bank.
Obi asa me check be ba check me nyi sika.
World Bank na ba ko nye ko bank.
Amate.
World Bank.
Ya block me paper. Anya se bia sei.
Ya bo aga ya fanya o.
Ya bo.
Amate ni timu ne tia tunim ni suban.
Ya bo.
Ko fa
Sika ma metai me kan ne tai.
E tu ba so chese woni da me sika no so na de ko tai.
Sika na me de ko to tai.
E odi ahu.
Awodi ahu na sika na wo je no 3 months ni mpa tu sika.
Na o
ya bo. Wo de me kan na fa pani.
Amate
wo de me kan na fa pani.
Amate kwanu tu.
Na station. Adena
ya ko akra tu ya akra. Amate we small boy be use na adwen di ju sika. Ese bia se sika o de man no bia sa wo ji ada no.
Station ya men kan sa me use ma adwen. Sika me se metua.
Oba me ho be ka se. Tie me oba me ho. Sa no ba me ho be ka yam se. Akrofo akwa hia no kwan wa ji says. Asante sika no bi kura sa de amo no a. Me mo no be se 5 million.
Me story no ma.
Ana ma fa ma no.
Me story no ma.
Oba no be da say ne ba.
Ana me say kukumba ga story no ma. Ana ma to.
Fam sika na amate fam
fa sika ma ne.
Say uma me show anko me show ana.
Fa ni sika ma no na ja kura so no.
Sika ma.
Station wo dia me say
da bena ni sabe kan sika.
Wo dia.
O se me 3 weeks.
Wo da me ba. Da bena ni sabe kan sika.
Wo dia say your friends afi na this year kra bend. Wo dia next year
mama. Amate da bena ni sabe kan sika.
Wo dia 2 weeks time me we
2 weeks.
Na the station am say you see 5% here.
Kwa say 3 million. Anya 3 million.
300.
Okay. Tie me, let tie ma super. Me ma 2 days. So one first can am na station how be free.
Na station me papa here do board banga na.
Ana se me frɛ wo na abɔ na mane.
Masa boy friend frɛ wo na abɔ na mane because asem nya clear. Me nya 2 days.
Jano.
Me so me nya 2 days.
Me ni kwa me fa so ma do
station.
Next time oba ho amfi no.
Station.
Next time oba ho amfi.
Station.
Me say me ma 2 days.
Station that who says asem.
2 days.
Who says asem na me na we just
go me nim say dia wo tie.
And me say me nya 2 days.
2 days one first can am.
Any go so ye me. Na me nya 2 days.
Me pam no we be no wa.
O pam me.
Pamu abe wa.
Station no
me mu adwuma nya
nya ye dey go for
man. Me mu adwuma nya nya ade wani beka.
Asa no be judge them say.
Me odu ka krada. Wo dey twa ni sika man say ka obe lodu station ya.
Yabo wo dey
yeah.
Wo dey station 2 days.
Am say 2 days. One first kana blood abo mama ne. Say station obe lodu ka wa ha no ma. Sa kwasa asem na ade ti station na obi antimi mu ocham so wo ya hwan. Amate wo ya hwan. Amate tu hufo. Ya too much was station. Tu hufo. Anya sa hu mi ye. Me nim kroku a wo free so. We are stubborn too much.
Mama gasem chiro. Station me no wo ham se nyina me nchiro me different colors. Me no na me ye go so. Me ye go so ya na no be go na ma edin.
We are go.
Omo me kasa. Ba na ma edin.
Tu mu ahye.
Omo twega tu mu ahye.
Unim tira bosom. Mama na tutu. So ya bosom. So nim tira bosom.
Ye 22.
Okay.
Me ye 22.
So we so
na say na disala ye 22.
Okay. Ya bo ada kwa kuma to ya.
Wo be sesi asam na wo ti o tia.
Ya be head station.
Me na magic kana me send 3 years. Na 3 years ni so.
Ya be head station. Ya bo a wo de kona kwa.
Asa station nyina nya odia o.
Mate eduwa. Amate hweye.
Ba station ma sa dai.
Wa hwe ya betwa nkwaso o.
Why ma fa me bomb to you.
Nam no enye o. Enemle mpa wo no oba na wo oba bi. Oba be na esi niam antu otutu ma obesi wu sika dia fra.
Station.
Oh no, baby,
Me na match me story. And I me what die or some de beka home. Tiano dia ndia was me.
Amate.
Me be just can ko hear me ba. Scan me yes say me be just can am de ko hear me ba. And you say be say.
Oh wow.
Na de unu abanya oba.
Etu.
Me brother na ba no.
Oh betima wo. Oh.
Eh na de me nya bi wo ka ma wonte da na. Me de enche na otwe to so mpa so.
Asa me na ohwegu. Me sa ohwegu tuntimi nyam.
De onim de ato me.
Amate uni ba. Etiska no de here dey.
Station. And am say me de ko hear me nua ba. Me nua ba.
Na uni alo ni ho.
E de bo diska.
Ai, na isa wo wa ye ahwe bushafo.
Me wa ye ya be hear. And am say me egu me egu Samaritans but mo na mu ni. Station.
Oda kwa
We shall meet again. But station oh ya dey go on my ti oba na be sisi asem ma wo. Sabi o wo de boni adwuma ni manti ade bia na odin. 3 years asem so wo be ma me 2 days. Na 2 days ni sa na dey no kra.
One fa ma me pamo. Me lodu ka.
Weapon fighter.
Wani wo kwa. Ko. For wani wo ko.
Sound red na ache. Station sisa. Sisa mu na ache.
Ai, wani so nsan wu asem. Wo ya so a na ka fo kyerɛw. Na akwa we nti me na me fa na adwuma na ona fa ma adwuma. Amate.
My Sandra. Look, listen. As for me, I know very well that I'm still in love with you. I want us to update our love, our relationship. I want us to do things that we used to do 2-3 years ago. You know, we travel, you know, like we go to Dubai. This time we can go to Bali or we go to Miami and things like that. You know, we can do things. You know, I can even, in fact, I'm even thinking of getting you out of this place. This place has become a bit clustered and too small for you, sort of, and I need you to get out of this single room apartment to this 3-bedroom apartment. You know, that's befitting for you, my Sandra. Sandra, I can't leave you. You know, me, I thought maybe we had plans. We would build a home together. You know, we sail through the storm, and then we have the same dream. As you dream A, I'm dreaming B. As you dream red, I'm dreaming blue. It's like violet are blue.
Enough, Okoro. Enough. Are you not tired of talking? I don't need all this. Listen, I don't need all this. I am tired of this relationship and I am out. Fine now. What is it? All of this I've been through with you. You think I'm interested? In fact, I need my passport. I don't want to set my eyes on you again.
I'll get a new car for you.
You get what? I don't need it. I don't need it. Okoro, in fact, today should be your first and last. I don't want to see you here again. Ever. I don't want to set my eyes on you again. In fact, I know you have my passport. Tomorrow I'll meet you up for it. I don't even want you to come here. Do you understand?
My Sandra, I can't understand.
Okoro, I'm damn fucking serious.
I know, but my Sandra. So I can even touch you. You don't allow me to even kiss you. Huh? Look at your hairy legs. You want me
Okoro, you are irritating me. See, I want to block my. I don't want to hear you speak. What is it? Leave. I'm tired of you.
Me. Okoro of East Legon. Hey. My Sandra. Sandra, let me tell you, no. The reason why all these young girls, they die just like that. Tomorrow you hear that a young girl is dead. You go there, they say a young girl is dead. You know why? Antoine.
I've gotten to this point.
I didn't say anything.
Okay, you better. Okoro, leave.
Alright.
Okoro, leave.
I'll leave.
I didn't know yes, sir. Ah, there be men, yes, sir. We are so hammer, my bravo. Eh? Me know we are didn't, and it's kind of the mouse that could do now. You don't want to do no. Want to do no, upon him, I wish me own. Ah, as a man, I can't, like him, some young county mad to command my semi. Unim Ghana mad to command my semi. What's wrong with you? Ah, tear me, me near ready semi pebble. Now me more baby that. I remember me rabble by this time. Ah. You know, Cassim, I want to you know, Catahona will be Catano be. Don't shout on me, baby. Don't shout on me. I don't like shouting. That's why I'm telling you, me pet at the what's I make a size of a church? Ah, would it tear me? Wouldn't make a sign church and me pest Antetiano. Ah, Mamma would do a corner cotton or third drew. No, what would this kind of could pizza? And Quasambano. Ah. Unsa me fine boy ntino obeso o cheme nkwam hye dem kwasem be no tie me sis wo me honom ska wo me hu sisi me boss 3 days ni me nye sis ska wo me hu ma me se ne ma wo ne fa ba bi mpacho clear free honom I said crack from there crack that thing from there I don't like it fa na wo me de ko to wo fa na me de akra ne kwa koto me pesa de no 3 days and I'm 3 days sis go me honom me fa ma me boss wo de Mr. me sene ama ye na ye free honom na why Mr. Sure, don't let me get headache right now please and I make us don't let me get headache it's not nice Obama Mefro why Mr. No meeting Mefro oh para na biaboko
I don't know where, sir.
Oh, are they?
No, always be up as I know, because I know be in Shabaka. I don't know, carry on 100 driver, sir.
That's all Hamis for me to be near Juma.
How many times have I said, France and Alpha?
Oh, not before doom, yet. Send me to free charge and you and say, friends, President.
But, at least, I won't make call also from me.
But Obama, the can't frame it and I am a chance. Yes,
Amati, I know you. And I know you very well.
And you're a woman, the only said the name.
Minimum.
May have 2 colors, please.
Promise coming.
Oh, tea. And you can't put one some Nami Dynamics as a name.
Amati.
And I'm a city. Only my smart to station.
Me catch out said there be a send this kind of mammy.
On 7 she came mood do Ojina home.
And found. I have more than Odia. And it's on Odia. It is this kind of mammy. I didn't know, yes, I would tell and I made person me say my phobia meaning doing common because I don't know station saying I don't know why. So if my family born me to them, I don't know why. Me discuss me can one me me kwaba. Station me little with tabe. Now obieti mapa me can maba yes can African. What kind of rubbish is that? Me boss says obieti be African. Amati. Station master come up na also be frame meeting. Let's say nipo no first can no. Ya de ne kwanto a. Me me gina sisi na we call. Some me sales 3 days sales no all this man will girl awanye mama onko yi nyinsie no o da ne wono aka chem say car ni sia na obi akototo car ni mayi sika no na se obedi na ha che o tete me mo ne car ma ye tete nkomo nyina ye di na o de ni nyina ne say tie me ye young boy mesi so oba me no wo tena sam ka che say 6 years time na me wo because me wo a lot of things in my head se sia wa kwakwanye mama me ntimi sere wo say no me da sending no say we dey on fa ko yi enyin se ni me ya adwuma shim na me da man besro don't piss me I'm not pissing you off me bufu anye mesro anya dia metre me nsa wo so mesro amati say we gina we na me bufu wo so a wa hwa de obo no umpe mesro o lifestyle kwa no hu bi da mesro isre go on so da put for atwa ahia mesro on be high makasa matufu atufu medika ne ma wo no me no kasai several times and sana medika na ma wo matie but adina abasisi ne sabi o mitimi enhwa nyinsi ne akwanyinsa na ma diska na ma no so de akoye de ope zabe ka kibab na de family and I'm just me send that oh quickly so me kasa ya no moti no phone o message way me kasa no moti no phone and I'm say o message way o message eni hwe message za won phone so na pay o dia way miss low amati and try me don't dare I can't try you and I can't dare you and I'm packing one miss low ko kuna ko yanko kano oh to yanko kano amati
Amati.
Because of fear.
And so me.
And I'm saying because of fear.
I will coach me fear. Why?
And the message junction because I bought.
Me say.
I can't meet me.
Men I can't hear media.
What the?
Unu masi me kotu na ho. Amati. Remember we say me be match.
Hello family, what's good? 3940 here. Guess what? NKV Studios Emma free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then Kasa Baby. Shall link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis pay to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when the secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis pay. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Then do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Anya ka so go to your old trend there, o de koye bra, o de koye bra ni be dia dance here, koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.